Hello, part 2 out of 3. Last video. The last video was like yesterday. Today is January 3rd. Next part will be January the 4th. So this video, all 3 videos supposed to be posted by January 5th. Or January 6th. Today is Sunday, January 3rd. So it's supposed to be posted on Tuesday or Wednesday. Check the radar. We got Wake Effect snow right now. Heaviest part is actually west of here. We still got Wake Effect snow. We still got Wake Effect snow coming our way. We go few to few. It looks like that's pretty much gonna be done pretty soon. And that's pretty much it. We're supposed to get snow again. Then we're supposed to get Wake Effect again. And here comes we got Wake Effect snow again. But this time it's not gonna be like that. It's gonna be like very light Wake Effect snow. Which is not gonna get reduced inches. Right now Wake Effect snow warning nothing issued. We're on the storytelling forecast. No, we're not on the Wake Effect snow advisory. We got 15 inches of snow right now. Another inch, another 2 inch, another that, and that's it. All this is just be like nothing. Yes, I'm gonna sell for them all. Do you know I have to sell for 1 foot of snow? Driveway sidewalks. Why? Because I want to lose calories. Now, you know why I sell for snow? Because I lose calories. Oh, no. The snow blower is like for old people, like 50s, 60 years olds. My parents is in the early 20s. I don't believe. I don't believe my parents are gonna be. My mom was 16 when she got me pregnant. She was probably only 16 years old. Right now it's just the heaviest part right here. Wake Effect snow fires to me right here. Cause the heaviest part is still coming down. What the heck is this crap? Okay. So we go to here we can walk outside. Cause I need to change batteries. Is this one so? Yes, it is. You guys can see. That's how much snow we have. Look at the table. Yeah, a lot. And we've been suffering. Once and times, let's see. Second year. And that's right, the part will be last part. Stay tuned for more updates.